The Academy Awards are a long-standing annual tradition celebrating the best in cinematic achievements since the year 1929. The prestigious event is the oldest entertainment award ceremony and continues to reward excellence in 24 categories, each nominee vying for the renowned Oscar statuette. Thousands of these Oscars have been awarded to the men and women who make up the various categories, demanding a valid question: why is the Oscar a male? On average, only 16% of the total number of nominees have been women since the ceremony's inception, this even including the gender-specific Best Actress categories. Women have been gracing the screens of cinema for decades, their presence greatly recognized by audiences praising their craft and technique in front of the camera. Yet what audiences are failing to see is the large issue taking place behind the camera, where an unjust imbalance in female representation exists in the industry. Do you see it? In 2015 alone, the most recent ceremony to take place, 7 categories lacked a single female nominee. Even in a modern industry where access to technical fields is more widespread amongst both men and women, categories like Best Film Editing have seen no real improvements in terms of female representation. The number of female nominees has virtually stayed the same, thus depicting the gender gap that continues to plague the industry. The award for Best Production Design has seen a slight improvement in recognition amongst Academy members since the ceremony's origin, but still fails to show any substantial progress for women in categories beyond art direction. Sure, females dominate year after year in categories like costume design and makeup, but what about the prestigious categories that are typically associated with a film's success? Though it may seem hopeful that the award for Best Picture has seen a rise in female producers over recent years, suggesting a step in the right direction for what some may call the Academy's most prestigious win, there's still a big problem for female creatives seeking the same esteem as their male counterparts. In the category for Best Directing, the Academy has only recognized 4 women in its nomination process, which has repeatedly failed to recognize the work of many talented female directors year after year. Not to mention that there has never been a single female nominated in the cinematography category, an unfortunate trend that has yet to be obstructed. So again, there is clearly a massive gender imbalance that exists in the industry, and audiences sitting in front of cinema screens are not seeing it. Do you?